Hello, and welcome to this segment of Preparing for Success on the ACT Math Exam with Roger Melton. Be sure to download and print the accompanying handout for this podcast. Enjoy.
As you will see in the following examples, the form of an equation of a line, y equal mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept, has special advantages over other forms of a line. Among the advantages are graphing the line, finding its slope, and its y-intercept location. In this example, in the xy coordinate plane, what is the y-intercept of the line whose equation is 6x minus 2y equals 6? Solve the given equation for y. Here's the given equation. Subtract 6x from both sides. Divide both sides by a negative 2. Simplify, it becomes y equal 3x minus 3 in the y equal mx plus b form. The y-intercept is a negative 3. Choice F. What is the slope of any line parallel to the line having equation 8x plus 9y equal 3 in the standard xy coordinate plane? Put the equation 8x plus 9y equal 3 into the y equal mx plus b form, and you do it as follows. Subtract 8x from both sides, and divide both sides by 9. The slope of this equation is a negative 8/9 from the form y equal mx plus b. Thus, a line parallel to the given line has the same slope, negative 8/9. Choice G. Which of the following is an equation of a line that passes through the origin and is parallel to the line whose equation is 2x minus y equal 5? Rewriting the equation 2x minus y equal 5 in the y equal mxb form yields y equal 2x minus 5. Thus, the needed slope is 2, and the y-intercept is 0 since the line passes through the origin. An equation is y equal 2x plus 0, or 2x minus y equals 0. The choice is D. Which of the following lines has the largest slope? And the choices are A through E as follows. In choice A, the equation is in the y equal mx plus b form, so the slope is 3. In B, the equation is given in the proper y equal mx plus b form. The slope is the coefficient of x, or 2. In C, the equation is in good form. The slope is 4. In D, the equation is not in the proper form, but by dividing both sides by 4, you end up with y equal 1/2 x plus 2, and the slope is 1/2. In the next equation, solve for y, divide both sides by 5. The equation becomes y equal 2x minus 2/5, and the slope is 2. The largest slope is by inspection, becomes 4, corresponds to choice C. The equation of a line S below is y equal mx plus b. Here's the line S. The slope is positive as it slopes upward left to right. So we know that m is positive, and b is a positive value, the location where it crosses the y-axis. Which of the following could be an equation for line T? Notice line T slopes downward as you read left to right. Therefore, its slope must be negative, and its y-intercept must also be b. Choose J. Y equal negative 2mx plus b. How many points do the graphs of all three of the following equations have in common? And here are the given three equations. Rewrite each given equation in the y equal mx plus b form to make sketching their graphs easier. In line number 1, from the sketch down below, the given equation is this. In the y equal mx plus b, it becomes y equal negative x plus 3. That would be this line. The second equation is given here. Solve for y. It ends up to be y equal x minus 3, and that is the equation, line number 2 right here. In the third equation, solving for y, you end up with a negative x plus 2/3. That is this line right here. I can now tell by the diagram that these three lines have no points in common, and that would be choice A.
Thanks for listening. We hope you found this podcast segment helpful in preparing you for the ACT. Please continue to the next podcast.